I'm making raw applesauce and using a blender. I suggest to use a high-speed blender as it's easier to blend. So I have my apples here all sliced and ready to go. I'm leaving the skin on them, the organic apples. And I'm going to be using this pushing type device. Excuse the noise for a bit. So that was quite quick. And I'll show you what it looks like. So you can always add cinnamon or other seasoning after, but yeah, keep in the fridge for a few days, in the freezer. Because recipes sometimes call for applesauce